Liam, I would not have said anything about Liam because I respect, you must know I respect Gary, his father. His father is a PA member. I spoke to his father. His father is a Memphis. He says, I love my boy, but we are totally two different people, Press. So I want you guys to know Gary Jacobs as a Memphis patriot. I don't want what Liam has done to cast aspersions on Gary. So let me get that straight. And Gary is not turning against his son. He says, I love my boy. Yes, my son did. But I raised a man that must make his own decisions. So I don't want some of you saying, no, we can't trust Gary. I already got 2 messages like that. No, we must trust Gary. Gary's working hard for the party. Gary's Liam's father. But father and son don't even support the same team sometimes. I look at me and my son. My sons are Liverpool. Imagine, in my own house, I have Liverpools. My youngest boy, my second youngest boy, he's got his own team. So everybody, my daughters have their own team. So father and son and father and daughters don't always take the same decisions. So I want to start on that one of Gary because I still only have 5 things to say. Then let me come to the issue of Liam. So the Patriots must know, I must always tell you the truth. When Liam joined us, honestly, we have moved Liam around to different portfolios, trying for him to show us his strength. I'm being honest with you. We've moved him around, moved him there, moved him there, moved him there. We wanted to see his strength. Then we realized, I then realized Liam is not himself. Liam is deeply unhappy. I then called Liam, I booked a flight for him. And he came to, so Patriots must just know the truth. I booked a flight for him and I said, Liam, jump in my car. I booked him at the, I think, Sky Hotel in Joburg. I picked him up in the morning. I said, come with me. I think I go to Mpumalanga to go to an event there. You go with me today. I want to have a man-to-man chat with you. He spoke to me about 2 issues. One was he had a big altercation with a security guard that didn't want to let him in at the council. And the second issue he spoke to me about was, the first one is security. After listening to and the second one was, PA otherize him. The leaders don't like him. They otherize him, which means otherize is like they see him as something else. And I listened to him. I said, all right, let's start with your first one. Did you have your card to go in? He says, no, I didn't have my card. I said, so your ego wanted them to open for you even if you don't have a card. I said, Liam, let me tell you something. I'm a minister. I introduce myself to anybody I ever meet. I don't care if you know me. I'm going to give you the honor of telling you who I am. I mustn't assume. I said, that is just your ego speaking. What's the next one? I said, you see, the mistake you're making, Liam, is that you want PA you want PA to accommodate you instead of you accommodating the PA. You want PA to turn according to the way that you want it instead of turning, because you see, PA is a culture. And if you don't understand the PA culture, you will never be happy. And I said to him, Liam, let me tell you something. You have not, in my opinion, adapted to the PA culture. You want the PA culture to adapt to you, and that's not going to happen. And then I called the national chair. I said, come see me the next day. I said, this boy is going. Oh, I then told him the last thing. I said, Liam, the D is going to come to you. The D is going to come to you and they're going to try to take you back to the DA. But they're not doing that because they want you. They want to stop the DA people joining PA and say, you see, there's Liam. He went there and there was nothing there. I said, Liam, let me tell you, they will never trust you. I look at his eyes when I said that. He didn't deny. I called the national chair, Marlon Daniels. I said, meet me at my office. I said, Marlon, you work with Liam, don't trust him. Don't trust him. I told, I'm going 2 months back. I said, I haven't seen Liam after that. I haven't seen Liam. I said, don't trust him. I called the ASG. I said, don't trust him. This boy is not who we think he is. The ASG was like, no, I don't think so. Maybe Liam maybe you guys are not seeing. I said, ASG, I'm telling you. It's like, so why is he not leaving? I said, no, let's see. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. But me and the chair had a very deep discussion, and the chair can say if I didn't have the discussion with him. And when Liam didn't work the ground, when we were working, he went to Rwanda, never worked the ground with us. So we could see he's on his way out. So we knew. So yesterday when I was speaking about the man, about him, that one can leave, but 100 comes in. He's never understood. PA is not a middle class, upper middle class party. We are on the ground. We are the lowest LSM, the lowest people that has no incomes vote for the PA. The people with no money, people with no opportunities, people with nothing. He cannot speak to them, and he's never spoken to them. We've tried to move him around, I'm telling you. But it doesn't take away that he's a very talented young man. Doesn't take away. I had to think, it doesn't take away from it. Even him, when we spoke about Cheslin, like, I don't know how he took the fact that Cheslin came in. Because I think he once told me they have a little bit of beef. But you can see when Cheslin came in, there was a big change in our strategy of thing. And Liam was saying to me, hey, yeah, I think I'm not the right person for the mayoral candidate. He said it to me, and I agreed with him. Because he just couldn't break through the onse mense. And for me, I could never let Liam go. I found him at Parliament, and I had to put him back there. I had to put him back there. Because I can't step him in the back like that. He trusted the PA. He came. And I was saying to them, guys, let him go to Parliament. Maybe we can see, but the ground is not for him. Now, the problem with, if you, and I say it respectfully, and don't say I call Liam a dog, because I know this is how you're going to spin it. But I'll make an example. I call myself a grondhond. Ek is a grondhond. But you see, when you have a kennel, when you have a kennel, and you have a dog in that kennel, and you fasten that dog with a chain, and the chain is just 10 meters, or not even 10 meters, 5 meters. If you have a long chain of 5 meters, and you fasten that dog for a very long time, and that dog, every time the dog wants to run, he can't run because then the chain catches him back. And for years, that dog will know this chain is this long, so I can't go further than the chain. But when you unfasten that chain, that dog wouldn't know that he's free. He will not walk free in the yard. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. So we don't mind if Liam leaves. We saw this already. We spoke as leaders. Ons het hom lank al gesien kom. The problem with Liam is that I never put him next to me. Like I put Mbiza. Like I put Mishay. Like I put the SG. Like I put Mary. I never put him next to me. Never. Because I knew they want to understand me. They want to understand how I operate, how I move. And I saw this thing a long time ago. Like, ek kan nie vir hom kort sê sit langs aan my nie. Hy gaan dinge sien, hoor, discuss. I did that with Mbiza. I did that with many leaders in the PA. Gaan sit ek hulle hier langs aan my en sê, kom hier, dis hoe ons werk. This is what we do. This is how we do this thing. So he did what he did, which I must respect him. A man, let me tell you something, I'm older than 12. If Liam wants war with PA, he should continue with what he's continuing with. We'll make social media for him very uncomfortable. But we don't want to do that. We want to wish him well. He said a month ago, he doesn't like the politics of attacking. Today he's attacking us. This is the man that said he doesn't want politics of attacking. We've never started to attack him. Ons is nie in 'n kou man nie. Moenie 'n fout maak nie. Jy sal niks post op die social media. Ons sal ons hele attention by jou direct. But we don't want to do that. So, bamba yourself, Masekant. Bamba yourself. That's number 1. Moenie vir ons so kykie. Bamba yourself. Number 2, you say that you see in DSEC there's a lot of PA people. Yes, that's true. Do you know the employment equity targets of the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture? Do you know that colored people and Indian people and white people don't get hired in that place? You don't know that. Do you know that we are running a project now in that department to make sure that we are targeting colored, Indian and white people so that they can also get jobs there? You don't know those things. So you think you're insulting me, you're complimenting me. You're saying that this is cadre deployment. People must be chosen on merit in the DA. So let me just tell you, are you saying to me that merit works in the DA? If you say that to me, you are actually saying colored people cannot rise to the top of the DA. You are saying to me that the doctors in the DA, your Minister of MEC of Agriculture, forgot what his name is now. You saying to me that man couldn't rise to the top. So you saying to me that we will make you a true Joera, we'll make him deactivate. He does not know us. I'm waiting for one PA word and you'll see he will deactivate. Ons is nie, we don't bother you. Gaan mooi Masekant. But when you start talking about merits, you maak me mal. Because coloreds don't rise in the DA. So you are saying, so we are meritless. We cannot rise because we are colored. Don't come here with the thing. You know nothing about the PA. We never trusted you in the PA. Let me tell you. Nobody trusted you in the PA. No one. No one. No one trusted you in the PA. So if you want to go, just go to your party and los ons uit. Ons gaan jou uitlos. We will not talk about you. Now you talk about, 2 weeks ago you tweeted, I'm back. The president of the PA has sent me back to Parliament. I have your tweet. You're tweeting. I'm going back to Parliament. Today, the same president is a dictator. But when you spoke 2 weeks ago, how are you going back? I wasn't a dictator. Let me tell you, Masekant, you see this party. You say there's no structures and stuff like that because you want to copy our structures. And that's how they destroy parties. We are beating your DA. Ons gaan hulle meet in Swartland. Jy moet kom Swartland toe, kom grond toe, Masekant. Jy gaan ons Saizana op die grond in Swartland. You come here, you want to insult us. Since you've made your choice. Go, why are you guys so obsessed with the PA? You've made your choice. Now you come and you say this and this. And when you were appointed by me, you never said I'm a dictator. When we went to go fetch you after they spit you out and told you to shut up, Michalis, George, when you were telling us how racist they are, when you were having lives, how racist they are, when they attacked you, we protected you as the PA. The Patriots protected you. When they were attacking you, after you said, after you left, we protected you. We protected you, but here you got deactivate as ons klas met jou op social media. Jy sal niks post hier nie, jy ken nie vir ons sê. So los ons uit, gaan aan, go on your social media, people will forget about you because we will deal with you on social media. If you want to continue talking crap about the PA. PA is not a culture of coconuts, it's true Divan. Let me tell you something, ons is grondhonde. Ons is op die grond. Ons is met ons mense. You come and talk like that's cadre deployment. Who's a cadre? Who's a cadre who's a comrade? Who's a cadre here in PA? Show me one person. You're too used to be where colored people don't get jobs. That's your problem. And when you see them start getting jobs, you start talking smack like that. You were given a statement to read. So for me, because I really have a soft spot for you, Los die PA se naam. You came to me before you joined the PA, you said, hey man, can this guy stop attacking me? And I told him to stop. These people are very disciplined, but don't play with their party. Join whoever you want to join. If you've joined the DA, gaan daar by die DA. You think, you know, I was telling my son today, I said to him, my boy, that's a master class on how not to make yourself be trusted by people. Social media is already giving you a lot of crap, I saw. You thought this was going to be a big announcement. So I'm asking you nicely, Los Mari PA, and don't lie about us. Don't talk about us. We are not perfect. Me, I'm not a perfect person. Let me tell you something about me. When people start saying things about me, I'm like, it's true. It's true. I'm not perfect. I'm the least perfect person. I am the least perfect person. I am. Do you think die wit mense rook koerantpapier? You think hulle gaan so trust? You think they'll ever trust you? You saw what Truther and them said already about you. Sy gaan lelik vasloop, my boy. Los maar die PA uit. Gaan aan met jou werke. Gaan na by die DA, jy is met hom by die huis. You are there where you want to be. You've made your choice. Out of respect for your father, I'm giving you this warning to say, los die PA se naam uit jou mond uit. We wish you well. You can say all the things you said. You said what you wanted to say. You are now released from us. Send me ask one question. Show us your fruit when you were here by us. Show us your fruit. So every tree must bear fruits. So, Chezabri DA, the same people that was calling you lots of names, they will never make you forget. En hulle gaan jou uitspoeg. En as hulle jou uitspoeg, I'll be there to pick you up for the second time. I want you to know that. Because I can't call myself a leader and wanting to change the narrative and only help those which I like. You say people get employed by loyalty. When have you been loyal to me? When have you been loyal to me, but you got appointment? You were never loyal to me. The problem is some of you can't operate where you don't get special treatment. You can't operate where you don't get special treatment. Do you think, for me, you really think I give a damn about the things you were talking about? Do you think I give a damn about the issues of what the DA thinks of me? Laat ons Swartland, laat ons daar meet in Swartland. You must lead that delegation. Let me tell you something. I needed to just get this off my chest tonight. Out of respect for your father, because I respect your dad and he's a PA member, ons gaan dit toemaak hier. Maar los maar die PA jou mond uit. Ek vra jou baie mooi. Los die PA, you are relieved from the PA. We are the fastest growing political party because you think we are disruptors. That's what we are. One day you'll build businesses like I've done. And you'll understand what is a disruptor. There was fish businesses here in South Africa. Big ones. I came in as a disruptor. Politically, P is a disrupting party. Ons is a Abahambe disrupting party. I want you to know, we're not going to do things like the DA. You are not our enemy. You cannot be our enemy. Don't try to be our enemy. Pamba yourself, Masakan. Humble yourself, Massacant. We know that you get two kinds of slaves. You get the field slave, as Malcolm X said, the plantation slave, and you get the house slave. Ons weet waarvan sy. The DA says we are with the ANC. They are also with the ANC. We are together there with the ANC in coalition. So what are you talking about? In Beaufort West, you voted the PA out together with the ANC. In Lugamka, together with the ANC. ANC and DA voted the PA out in Lugamka. ANC and DA voted the PA out in Beaufort West. In National, ons deel van die GNU. There's no different, there's no what there. We are all one. We all report to President Ramaphosa. I said there, all your ministers report to President Ramaphosa. Let me tell you, you can lie to people here. I said there and I tell you, President Ramaphosa says now, I want to see you now, Dean. He jumps like popcorn. I want to see you now, Gaten. I jump like popcorn. I want to see you now, Steenhuisen. He jumps like popcorn. There's no leader of a party there. So you lie to people that's not there. I'm telling you, julle is dik in met die ANC. Dik, julle is dik in met die ANC. So we move on. I made this live so you can know. Ons is veldslawe, Massacant. Ons gaat onszelf vry maak.